Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a product that claims to be the king of dust collectors, the ONAIL Tornado No.1 dust collector. As nail techs, dust isn't just annoying, it's something we're exposed to every single day. So when a dust collector promises better performance, cleaner air, and less mess, I definitely want to put it to the test. We'll be doing a full unboxing, setup, close-up look at the design, airflow demonstrations to see if this is really living up to its hype. And if you're interested in picking one up after watching, I'll leave my discount code Ardell100 in the description below. So let's get started. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It says on here, King of Dust Collector. Right away, the packaging feels premium. Inside we have ONAIL Tornado No.1 dust collector. We have the power cord and adapter. Nice sturdy cord. The user manual. And any included accessories, which happens to be filters. And I will open this up and we'll look at this better. So my first impressions is that the unit has a very modern, professional appearance. It doesn't look like the typical dust collectors we're used to seeing in salons, so that is really nice. What immediately catches my eye is the unique center intake design. ONAIL calls this the Tornado Eye aerodynamic structure, and it is the key feature that sets this collector apart from traditional models. And you can see that it is very different. So let's talk about the design for a moment. Rather than simply pulling dust downward, the design is intended to create a powerful vortex effect that surrounds the working area. According to ONAIL, this creates a 360-degree dust capture zone that can be 1 or 2 times more effective than regular dust collectors. Now that's a pretty bold claim, so we're definitely going to test that out today. So now I'm going to plug the dust collector in because we're going to do a slow motion footage with a lightweight powder to see if this does as it claims. And when you're plugging the power cord in, it is going right there. Turning it off. And to turn it on, so we are going to be doing this slow motion footage with lightweight powder, like I said, but I've got it to the side so you can see that better. And before I do that, I just want to take apart the dust collector and show you what it comes with. So of course, there's the lid. And then it comes with the filter papers, and this is the box of filter papers. There is 30 of these in this box, so I don't need to show you. inside the box. And then we actually have the filter for inside the unit. And here is the motor for the dust collector. So we're going to put it back together, and I'm going to put my camera in slow mode, and we're going to watch the dust go down into the dust collector and see if it does what it claims. And of course you want to line these back up so they go in the holes and it's ready to go. So I am going to turn it on and see if this is going to work. Look at the vortex effect. Instead of dust scattering around the table, you can actually see it being pulled inward and directed straight toward the center intake. This is one of the most visual, impressive airflow patterns I've seen. It is truly living up to the title as the king of dust collectors, making it 1 to 2 times more effective than a standard dust collector. Next, let's test the ONAIL's claim of the 360-degree dust capture. So I'm just going to take some gel polish and we're going to file it. So I'm intentionally working from different positions around the dust collector so we can see whether dust escapes. So let's give it a try. I'm just going to grab something to file. So we're going to use this tip. And I am going to do from up here first, and then, like I said, I will do from the sides. So I'm going to turn it on and then we'll check it out. So I have the camera down lower, and we're going to do it from the side here and see if it still goes to the middle or if it just all falls there. I'm going to turn it on again. So as you saw, like I had just finished saying, that the dust does not escape the work area. Did you notice it was being pulled that way, not down? That's impressive because with many standard collectors, you'll see often dust drifting off to the one side or floating in the air around the workstation. But look at how clean that is. It's pretty impressive. So after unboxing, testing the airflow, evaluating the 360-degree dust capture, what do you think? The ONAIL Tornado No.1 definitely stands out from traditional dust collectors thanks to its unique tornado eye aerodynamic design and impressive airflow performance. I particularly love seeing the vortex effect in action and how well it controlled dust around the workspace. If you're looking to upgrade your nail setup and improve dust collecting, this is definitely one worth considering. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, don't forget to use my discount code. It's up on the screen. I'll have all of the details linked in the description below of this video. There's a black more, and you click the arrow and go down and it'll say products and video, and all of that information will be there. If you enjoyed the review, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what's the most important feature you look for in a dust collector. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.